Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are diving into something that is a total game changer for the 3D world. Tripo Studio 1.0 is officially live, and this isn't just a small update. It's a massive leap forward for AI-powered creation. They've actually listened to the community, taking over 10,000 user suggestions to build a platform that's not only smoother, but up to 200% faster. If you're tired of waiting for renders and want to iterate at lightning speed, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. Just look at the difference in quality here. We're talking next-level HD textures and insane geometric detail that brings every character to life with professional-grade realism. Whether you're crafting high-fidelity monsters or optimized low-poly models for your next indie game, the level of detail is just unmatched. You can see the side-by-side comparisons yourself. The lighting, the shading, and the overall fidelity are honestly on a whole different level now. What's really cool is how effortless the workflow has become. You can literally go from a simple text prompt or a single image to a full 3D model in seconds. Plus, with new pro tools like intelligent segmentation and the magic brush, you get total creative control over every part of your design. You can even swap out environments and HDRI settings in real time to see exactly how your masterpiece looks under different lighting. It's powerful, it's intuitive, and it's going to save you so much time. So, if you're ready to level up your 3D game and start creating like a pro, you need to check this out. Head over to studio.tripo3d.ai right now to start building. And because I want you guys to get the best deal possible, I've dropped an exclusive coupon code for you. Just check the first comment down below to grab it. Go start creating, and I'll see you in the next one.